Here we're looking at the algebraic proof. Given that 6 is equal to 1 over 4 times x plus 8, we want to prove that x equals 16. So like other algebraic proofs we've worked on, the first step is to just repeat what we are given. So we have 6 equals 1/4 times x plus 8. The reason, so this is the reason that we know this is true, is because it is given to us. Our second step here would be probably to distribute. So we're distributing this 1/4 to the x and the 8. So we get 1/4 x plus 1/4 of 8, which is 2. So what did we do to both sides? What did we do to the equation to get here? What did we do from step 1 to step 2? We distributed. So this is the distributive property. So your next step, you should be asking yourself, what would I do next here? And we would probably subtract 2. So we would get 4 equals 1/4 x. Again, we subtracted 2 from both sides. So this is the subtraction property of equality. You are allowed to shorten things here, so SUBT is fine. It is not okay to just do SUB, as it could be a thought that you are trying to use substitution, even though it wouldn't make sense here. I've seen students think that that's what they're using. The next step, we have a 1/4 x, but we want to get it to look like x by itself. So how do we get a 1/4 to cancel off of the right side? We would probably multiply both sides by 4. When we do that, we get 16 is a quarter, or 1/4 times 4 is just 1. Think 4 quarters in a dollar, right? Each quarter is a quarter of a dollar. When you have 4 of them, you have $1. So we get 16 equals x. What did we do to both sides? We multiplied each side by the exact same thing. So that is the multiplication property of equality. And now you should ask yourself the question, is this exactly what I'm trying to prove? Is 16 equals x the thing that I was told to prove? And your answer is no. These are not the same thing. They're very, very close, but 16 is equal to x is not x equals 16. So we need one more step. It's not a hard step, right? If 16 equals x, then x does equal 16. You cannot skip that step. How do we know that? This is one of those properties that's going to come up over and over and over again. It's allowing us to flip what's on either side of the equation. That is called the symmetric property.